In this video, I am going to show you how to pay PLI premium directly from your smartphone. For that, you have to go to a browser, that is the Chrome browser I will open here. After opening the browser, any type of browser, so click on search, that is PLI. So after clicking PLI, you will see that pli.indiapost.gov.in. So this website you have to open. This is the official website of the PLI. Then click it. After clicking, this homepage will come, and here it is showing that login option. So you have to log in. After giving all the credentials here, you have to click on the login here. Now you can see here, this is the menu of the PLI. First my profile, then my policies. We have to go to the payment section. So click on the payment. After clicking, you will see your policy number. Click on the policy number. Then you will see your name, your policy number once again, from which date to which date you are trying to give the premium. That is also written here. You can see here 1/10/23 to 31st/10/23. Once again, you have to also check the total premium amount 2019 here. Okay. Then click on the confirm payment option.
Same information will be shown to you once again for confirmation.
And then you have to click on the pay now.
Choose any of the gateway here. I am choosing Pay You. You can choose according to your convenience. Then click Continue to Pay.
You can see here, choose a payment option, payable amount, it is also written here, transaction ID also given. This is very important for future reference. Choose here the payment options like UPI, cards, net banking, wallet, WhatsApp. So I will prefer here UPI. Click on the UPI, and after clicking on the UPI, you will see several options again. So go to the pay using UPI app. So click on the UPI app.
Due to security reasons, the screen recording has been stopped. Don't worry, I am telling you. Then you have to open Paytm UPI app in your smartphone. There you will see one pop-up message containing the amount from Department of Post PLI. Follow the instruction and then the amount will be deducted from your account.
Then you can see here, please do not close this window, press back. So paid successfully. You can see here, it has been paid successfully.
Then you will get the payment acknowledgement with transaction ID. At the same time, you will also get one confirmation message from PLI.
You can see here, this is the message came from the Department of Post. You can see here, dear customer, premium of this rupees for PLI policy number this for this period received by CCD on this date under receipt number this. India Post, INDPOST. So thank you for watching my video. Thank you.